high pressure slips in from the north. But before you get those bikinis out, it isn't going to be particularly warm because we're going to keep those northeasterly winds. But back to the present time, this area of low pressure is what we have to contend with at the moment. Yet more rain on the horizon. In fact, that area of low pressure is going to slip across the western channel during the rest of the evening and overnight, and as you can see here from the hatching, some outbreaks of rain are going to be pushing northwards through many parts of the country, at least the southern half, and that's indeed what is happening at the moment on the latest radar. One or two quite heavy bursts of rain as well. In the north, some late evening sunshine, but in the south certainly that rain tends to get more persistent and those outbreaks of rain really setting in. So some wet weather, I think, for many of those central and southern parts by the end of the night, but with broken just about get a touch of ground frost, but temperatures holding up fairly nicely in the more southern edge down, as you can see here from the north and the northwest into the evening. So to put some symbols on that, again, the best and the brightest of the weather is going to be in the north, especially in western Scotland, where you'll have the best of the sunshine. Some eastern areas of Scotland may hold on to rather more in the way of cloud, but certainly not the sort of cloud we're going to have in the more central and southern areas. A fairly wet start there, but as we saw a while ago, very gradually during the course of the day, somewhat brighter and drier weather will edge down from the northwest, but it's going to be really late on before it clears up in the extreme southeast. And again, we're going to have those troublesome winds with us, still coming in from the northeast, still a cold direction. So tomorrow we will find those temperatures pegged down once again, particularly so near the east coast and in those wet parts, around about 11 degrees there at best. Some of the brighter areas, though, should see temperatures a few degrees higher, again, especially perhaps in western Scotland. In the next few days, well, as I hinted at the beginning, it should get a lot brighter in most areas. Still going to be on the chilly side, one or two showers perhaps in the more eastern parts, but I think on Friday and indeed over the weekend we should see a reasonable amount of sunshine, slightly better temperatures, but do watch out frost night and morning. But join me later on for